Now that you have learned how Thomas can name and format his worksheet tabs, let's explore how he can manage his worksheets. When you are working with large workbooks, you may find that you need to change the order of the worksheets, insert new ones and delete others. You may also want to hide worksheets or refer to cells that appear on other worksheets. You will explore these topics now. In Excel, you can group worksheets together so that you can edit two or more at the same time. If you apply formatting to the group, it will then automatically be applied to any worksheets contained in your group. To group two or more worksheets together, hold down the Control key in your keyboard and then click on the tabs for each worksheet that you would like to include in the group. After you've selected all of the worksheets that you would like to include in the group, release the Control key. You will notice that each worksheet tab that you selected now has a white background. Note that the title bar will show the workbook name followed by the word group. You can remove worksheets from a group by holding down the Control key and clicking on the tabs for the worksheets that you would like to remove. And here are two tips that can be useful. You can select all worksheets at once by right-clicking any worksheet tab and clicking Select All Sheets. And you can also click the Ungroup Sheets command in the same location to ungroup all of the currently grouped sheets. Excel is very flexible in how you can move worksheets around in your workbook. You can even move worksheets from one workbook to another. The quickest way to reposition a worksheet within the same workbook is to click and drag on the Worksheet tab. A small page icon will appear under your mouse pointer and a black triangle will indicate the new position of the sheet. After you position your mouse, release your mouse button. The worksheet will be repositioned. Now, if you are moving a worksheet between workbooks, right-click on the tab for the worksheet that you would like to move and click Move or Copy. In the Move or Copy dialog box, you can choose the workbook to which you would like to move this worksheet, using the To Book menu, or you can choose the position of the sheet. Note that in order to move a worksheet to another workbook, you must have that workbook open. You should also note that the default setting is to move. You must tick the Copy checkbox if you want to copy from one workbook to another. You will notice that Excel is very flexible in that you can add or remove worksheets from your workbook at any time you want. You can insert a new worksheet by clicking the Insert Worksheet button, the one with the plus sign next to the worksheet tabs. Or you can click Home, then Insert, and then Insert Sheet. You can also find this command on the context menu when you right-click an existing worksheet tab. Now, if you want to delete a worksheet, make sure that the worksheet you would like to delete is open, and then click Home, then Delete, and then Delete Sheet. Or you can right-click the tab for the worksheet and then click Delete. In either case, a warning dialog box will appear asking you to confirm that you want to delete the selected worksheet. Click Delete to complete the process. But be careful. If you delete a sheet with content in it, this action cannot be reversed by undo. Now, if you are saving to a local drive, you could exit without saving perhaps, but if you are saving in the cloud, this would not be possible. And if the worksheet that you are deleting is blank, no warning dialog box will be displayed and the worksheet will be immediately deleted. If you are working with a workbook that includes a lot of worksheets, it can quickly become cluttered. To help alleviate this problem and allow you to focus on and quickly access the worksheets that matter, you can choose to hide selected worksheets. When you hide worksheets, they are not deleted and still operate normally, they are just hidden from view. But that is not a security feature. Anyone who can access the workbook can potentially unhide the sheets. Let's now see how you can hide a worksheet. To hide the currently active worksheet, click Home, then Format, then Hide and Unhide, and then Hide Sheet. Or you can right-click on the Worksheet tab that you would like to hide and click Hide. And after you hide the worksheet, it will be completely hidden from view and you will no longer be able to select its Worksheet tab. To unhide a worksheet, click Home, then Format, then Hide and Unhide, then Unhide Sheet. After you click Unhide Sheet, it will display the Unhide dialog box. This dialog box will list any worksheets that are currently hidden. Click to select the sheet that you would like to unhide and then click OK. The sheet that was hidden will now be visible and its tab will be displayed in its previous position. When you construct a formula, you can refer to any cell or cell range within any worksheet in the current workbook. These worksheet references declare the worksheet name followed by an exclamation mark, followed by the regular cell reference. For example, you can have a formula that adds two numbers from different sheets. You just type the equal sign, sheet 3, exclamation mark, A1, the plus sign, sheet 4, exclamation mark, C4, and then press enter.